Here's a refreshing twist on a traditional poke bowl. In this recipe, marinated mango replaces the tuna, creating a delicious plant-based meal. For this mango poke bowl, start by combining all the ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Select an unripe mango for the dish at stage 2 ripeness for crisp texture and tart flavor. Add the nori seaweed, soy sauce, sesame oil, green onions, garlic clove, ginger, chopped cashew nuts, cooked edamame beans, and black sesame seeds. Mix to combine. Mangoes are harvested when they're mature but not ripe. They continue to ripen off the tree and can be used from stage 2 to fully ripe, stage 5. Stir the ingredients until fully mixed and then refrigerate for 30 minutes or more to further develop the flavors. When ready to serve, place the mango poke over cooked rice and garnish with green onion. Here's our refreshing mango poke bowl.